Hello student, welcome to सौ सुंदरबाई मानेगाव स्कूल पॉलिटेक्निकच्या सहभागी. I am Sheikh Hafiz. Today we are discuss in the subject of engineering metrology. Engineering metrology. In engineering metrology, this is very important subject for second year mechanical student. And shortcut of this subject is EME. EME or EME 3I. Now today we are discuss the first unit of this subject is Introduction to Metrology. Now before starting off the first unit, we have discussed the course outcome of this subject. Now course outcome of this subject course outcome, that is COs, course outcomes. Now first course outcome of this subject is select relevant instrument for measurement. Select relevant instrument for measurement. Second is use different type of comparator. Use different type of comparators. Second course outcome is use different type of comparator. Next course outcome is select gauges, fits, tolerance. Select gauge, fit, tolerance for machine component. Now next course outcome for engineering metrology is use relevant instrument to measure. Use relevant instrument to measure different type of parameter for screw thread and gear. The fourth number course outcome is use relevant instrument to measure different type of parameter for screw thread and gears. Next, use linear and angular measuring instrument. Use linear and angular measuring instrument. And the last course outcome for this subject is select relevant surface testing method. Last is select relevant instrument for surface testing method. Surface testing method. course outcome for engineering metrology. First is select relevant instrument for measurement. Second is use different type of comparator. Next is select gauge, feed, tolerance and for machine component. Next is use relevant instrument to measure different type of parameter for screw thread and gears. Next is use linear and angular measuring instrument. And last is select relevant instrument for surface testing method. Now let us start. The first unit of this subject is unit first, introduction to metrology. Introduction to metrology. And the syllabus of this unit is The first is definition of metrology. Definition of metrology. First topic is definition of metrology. Second is objectives of metrology. Objectives of metrology. Next topic is categories of metrology. Next is categories of metrology. Categories of metrology. Next, accuracy. Next, precision. Relativity, etc. Definitions. Next, source of error. Source of error. Source of error. Factor affecting of error. Next is factor affecting of error. Next syllabus topic for this unit is select instrument. Select instrument for measuring purpose. For measurement. And last topic is concept of least count. Least count. This is the syllabus of first unit, introduction to metrology. And the course outcomes COs for this first unit is select relevant instrument for measurement.
Now let us start the first unit of engineering metrology. The unit name of this subject is Introduction to Metrology. Now first unit, Introduction to Metrology. Today we have discussed the 2 points of this unit. The first is the definition of metrology and second is objectives of metrology. The first, metrology. Metrology is science of measurement which deals with measuring instrument, measuring techniques and measuring standards. Metrology is defined as the science of measurement which deals with the measuring instrument, measuring technique and measuring standards. We know metrology is very important point for industrial purpose. When we say that metrology is related with various parameters, it directly focuses on to unit of measurement and standard system which are accepted throughout the world. In total, metrology is the science which establishes unit of measurement, reproduction, this unit as standards, accuracy of method related to error. This is metrology. Next point is objectives of metrology. Next is objectives of metrology. Objective means the need of metrology. First point is it can be used for selection of proper measuring instrument in industry. First point of objectives of metrology is used for selection of proper measuring instrument in industries. Next is it can be used for deciding the proper measuring standards. Second objective is can be used for deciding the proper measuring standards. Next objective or need of metrology is for minimizing the cost of inspection. For minimizing the cost of inspection. Next objective for metrology is to determine the process capability and measurement are important. Process capability and measurement are important. Next objectives is to decide or find out the tolerance of given job. Next objective is to decide or find out the objectives of given tolerance of given job. Next, to achieve standardization. Next objective is to achieve standardization. And the last objective is to maintain accuracy and precision at the time of inspection. This is the objectives for metrology, that is need of metrology. Now, thank you for watching this video. I will explain next topic in next video. Please subscribe and like this channel. Okay, thank you.